Welcome again. So this problem is image problem from electrostatics जो कि TFR 2021 में आया था इस बार. So the question is like this: two positive charges Q, capital Q and small q are placed on opposite sides of a grounded sphere of radius r at a distances 2r and 4r respectively from the center of the sphere as shown in the diagram. Okay, so हमारे पास एक grounded sphere है and हमारे पास दो charges है capital Q and small q. Okay, then the charge Q feels force away from the center of the sphere if, okay, so we have to find the condition such that कि जो ये small q है इस पे force outward लगेगा, out from the center of the sphere. Okay, the charge Q feels a force away from the center of the sphere if, okay, and these are the four conditions given. Okay, so let's see. So this is my grounded sphere and these are my two charges, small q and capital Q. Okay, so in this problem we are going to use method of images and a brief review. So this is my method of images. तो सपोज अगर हमारे पास एक ग्राउंडेड स्फीयर होता है एंड अगर मेरे पास एक चार्ज Q होता है विच इज आउटसाइड दिस स्फीयर, देन वहां पर एक वर्चुअल चार्ज और यू कैन से इमेज चार्ज बन जाता है एंड उसका जो चार्ज होता है that is given by minus r by aq. Okay, where a is the distance of the real charge from the center of the sphere and the distance of this virtual charge or image charge is given by r square by a. Okay, so this is from method of images. Okay, so this one is our real charge and this is our virtual charge or you can say image charge, virtual charge or image of q. ओके, सो उसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड होता है दैट इज माइनस जो चार्ज होता है दैट इज माइनस आर बाई ए क्यू एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर इज गिवन बाय आर स्क्वायर बाई ए. ओके, सो वही हम लगाएंगे यहाँ पर. तो फर्स्ट इमेज ऑफ चार्ज स्मॉल क्यू उसको मैं लेबल देता हूँ क्यू डैश से एंड द इमेज ऑफ चार्ज कैपिटल क्यू उसको मैं लेबल देता हूँ क्यू डैश से. तो क्यू डैश का जो मैग्नीट्यूड होगा विद अ माइनस साइन विल बी r times q divided by the distance. Here distance is 4r. Okay, similarly q dash का जो charge होगा that will be minus r times q divided by the distance is 2r. Okay, or you can write this as minus q by 4. Okay, so this is the image charge of q, small q, and image charge of capital Q is minus q by 2. So image charge of capital Q is minus q by 2 and the locations जो है that is the distances from the center, that is ये वाली distance होगी बराबर r square by a. So r square divided by 4r. Okay, or you can simply write r by 4. So r by 4 is the distance of the image charge of small q. Okay, r by 4. इसी तरह the distance of q dash from the center will be r square by, so r square by distance that is 2r, or you can simply write it's r by 2. Okay, r by 2. Okay, मैंने बस यहाँ पर method of image का मेथड लगाया. Okay, to find the magnitude of charge and the distances from the center of sphere. Okay, so q dash का magnitude of charge है q by 4 and capital Q dash का minus q by 2 and the distances are r by 4 and r by 2. Okay, now हमें फोर्स निकालना है q पर, इस q पर हमें फोर्स निकालना है, इस q पर हमें फोर्स निकालना है. So let's see फोर्स कितना होगा. So suppose I will draw here again. So this is my Q. यहाँ पर अब चार चार्जेस है, दो रियल एंड टू वर्चुअल. सो Q यहाँ पर Q डैश, देन यहाँ पर कैपिटल Q डैश एंड देन यहाँ पर कैपिटल Q. ओके, एंड द डिस्टेंस आर लाइक दिस. सो दिस डिस्टेंस, ओके, सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज r by 4 यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, इसी तरह यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक is r by 2, this distance is r by 2, and you know the other two distances, okay, that is this distance is 4r and this distance is 2r. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the total force on this Q. Okay, so Q पर कितने forces लगेंगे? 3 forces. One due to small q dash, other due to capital Q dash, and other due to capital Q. Okay, so let me draw the forces. So suppose Q dash की वजह से जो force लगेगा, that will be in this direction because Q is a positive and Q dash is negative. So this is the force due to Q dash. And similarly, due to capital Q dash, force will again point in the same direction. Okay, so this will be force due to capital Q dash. Okay, because these two are negative charges. And इसकी वजह से जितना force लगेगा, that will point outwards. Okay, so force due to capital Q will point outwards. Okay, so these are my 3 forces. And now I have to find a condition, that वो कौन सी condition है so that कि charge जो इस चार्ज Q पर फोर्स लगेगा, दैट विल बी आउट फ्रॉम द और अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ स्फीयर. सो इसका मतलब है जो ये वाला फोर्स होगा, इसका मैग्नीट्यूड इन दो से बड़ा होना चाहिए, तभी इस फोर्स तभी चार्ज Q पर फोर्स अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फीयर लगेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपल दैट FQ should be greater than FQ dash plus F capital Q dash. Okay, now what is force due to capital Q? It is simple, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge of Q divided by the distance, and the distance from this charge to this charge is 6r. Okay, so I will write here simply 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge is Q divided by distance is 6r whole square. Okay, it should be greater than force due to Q dash. What is force due to Q dash? Force due to ये वाला charge, so that will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught divided by the distance. अब ये वाली distance कितनी होगी? We know the total यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक distance है 4r. 4r minus r by 4. So 4r minus r by 4 will be the distance from Q to Q dash. Okay, so we'll write Q dash upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4r minus r by 4, that is simply 15r by 4. Okay, so 15r by 4 whole square plus force due to capital Q dash. A force due to capital Q dash, so this is my capital Q dash, is simple 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q dash upon the distance. अब distance कितनी है? We know this distance is r plus r by 2. So r plus r by 2 is the distance from Q to Q dash. Okay, Q to Q dash की जो distance है, that is r plus sorry 4r plus r by 2. 4r plus r by 2 is the distance from small q to capital Q dash, because this distance is 4r then r by 2. 4r plus r by 2, and that is simply 9r by 2. Okay, to put the values here, so it is simply Q dash upon 4 pi epsilon naught 9r by 2 whole square. Okay, now यहाँ पर r square is common and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is also common, so I will drop these factors, so it becomes simply Q divided by 36 is greater than Q dash upon 15 square is 225 by okay, so 4 square plus Q dash upon 81 by 4. So 4 divided by 81. Okay, now we also know what is यहाँ पर Q dash square, sorry, Q dash 4 by 81. Now we also know that Q dash is how much? Q dash we already know, Q dash is minus Q by 4. और बिकॉज हम मैग्नीट्यूड यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं, सो इट इज Q/4 सिंपली, Q/4 एंड Q डैश इज, Q डैश कितना है, इट्स Q/2, ओके, Q/2। तो हम माइनस इसलिए नहीं ले रहे हैं बिकॉज हमने वो पहले ही कंसिडर किया है इन द डायरेक्शंस, ओके ओके। सो अगर हम इसका वैल्यू देंगे, सो इट इम्प्लाइज Q/36 इज ग्रेटर देन Q डैश के बदले Q/4, सो इट बिकम्स 4Q/225 प्लस Q डैश के बदले अपना वैल्यू, so Q/2 इट बिकम्स 2Q/81, ओके। तो अगर हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे फर्दर, सो इट बिकम्स Q/36 माइनस 2Q/81 is greater than 4Q/225, or I can write it like this. So if you solve this term, you'll get Q/324 is greater than 4Q/225, or you can get further simplification. So Q is greater than, or you can write Q/Q, capital Q by small q is greater than 324, sorry, so it's 324 multiplied by 4, that is simply, or you can write simply 324 multiplied by 4 divided by 225, or you can get, if you do the division, you will get Q/Q is greater than 144/25, okay. Or if you take the inverse of this equation, you will get Q/Q. Now this greater than sign will flip, so it will be less than 25/44. So this is the option. So if you check the option, so Q/Q is 25 is less than 25/144, okay. So this is the correct option. So हमने बेसिकली क्या कर लिया, हमने फोर्सेस को इनइक्वालिटी साइन से रिलेट कर लिया, दैट फोर्स ऑन द स्मॉल q शुड बी, force due to capital Q should be greater than the forces due to other two charges, okay. And we used here method of images, में जो concepts थे वो हमने use कर ली।